After a calm Wednesday, stormy conditions returned to parts of South Africa on Thursday and is expected to intensify this weekend. So let's look at your forecast. Let's get right into our accumulated rainfall, showing where the most rain is expected to fall on Friday, and weather models are indicating most of the rain expected over the northeastern parts of the Northern Cape, Northwest, and large parts of the Free State. Also, a few significant downpours are likely over the coastal and adjacent areas of the Eastern Cape. But taking our accumulated rainfall further into the weekend up until Sunday evening, it's clear to see we are still expecting lots of rain across South Africa. Here over the central parts of the country, models indicating up until 50 millimeters likely, as well as over parts of the Eastern Cape. This includes the Wild Coast, and in the shades of white to black, more than 60 millimeters expected in just 3 days, which could definitely lead to localized flooding in places. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast on Friday for Northwest as well as the Free State, parts of the Northern Cape as well as the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape and the Wild Coast. Very isolated thunderstorms likely to bubble up over the Western Cape, and isolated storms in the forecast for Gauteng. The Weather Service has issued 3 weather warnings for Friday: a level 2 warning for severe thunderstorms over the Northern Cape, Northwest and Free State. They've upgraded to a level 6 orange warning for the central areas of Northwest and the Free State. This includes over Bloemfontein, where they're warning against the possibility of hail as well as excessive lightning and a few heavy downpours with a gusting northeasterly wind, mainly offshore along the coast of the Eastern Cape on Friday. It's a mainly sunny day for the coastal areas of the Western Cape, with a high of 24 degrees in Langebaan, 23 degrees in Cape Town, and becoming hot over the interior. And due to the heat as well as enough moisture, a few isolated thunderstorms are likely to bubble up over parts of the Winelands as well as Laingsburg and all the way to Beaufort West. Isolated thunderstorms expected to move down from the Karoo and becoming scattered over Graaff-Reinet, and this includes the northern areas of the Eastern Cape. An onshore flow will continue to push in showers for the Wild Coast, and we're expecting stormy conditions later over the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape with a gusting northeasterly wind along the coast. Also, a fresh northeaster for the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal on Friday. I have 25 degrees in Durban, and thunderstorms expected over the northern and western areas, becoming scattered in the vicinity of Ladysmith. In Mpumalanga, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid-20s and a 30% chance of thunderstorms over the Highveld. And moving to Limpopo, it's mostly cloudy with showers expected over the northern areas as well as along the escarpment. Winds turning northeasterly in the Bushveld with isolated thunderstorms likely on Friday. It's a cloudy day for Northwest with a thick band of showers and thunderstorms moving over the province, and the Weather Service is warning against the possibility of heavy rainfall, which could lead to localized flooding in places. Also stormy on Friday over the eastern areas of the Northern Cape. A few severe thunderstorms likely in the vicinity of Postmasburg as well as Kimberley, and severe thunderstorms also expected to move over large parts of the Free State. The Weather Service warning against hail as well as excessive lightning and a few heavy downpours. Isolated thunderstorms possible on Friday in Gauteng with a northerly wind blowing and temperatures in the mid-20s. And then into your weekend on Saturday, more stormy conditions over large parts of South Africa. Thunderstorms are spreading eastwards with a high risk of severe thunderstorms over parts of the Highveld, including Gauteng and the rest of the Free State on a Sunday. Those showers and thunderstorms are spreading northeastwards into KwaZulu-Natal, Limpopo and Mpumalanga, clearing up from the west, but light showers still likely over the coast. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.